everyone. So first of all, I would like to thank the people who have sacrificed their time and effort for the sake of making all of this possible. So when I call upon the names of these people, I ask everyone to give them a warm round of applause. I'd like to show my deepest gratitude to the following people. So first, to my MC of the night, Miss Christina. Round of applause po. Second po, for Tata's Catering for the food. Nakita ko naman parang nag-enjoy naman kayo, so sila din. Next po to Tito Ken and Kuya Fonzie for being the instructors for my Cotillion dance, even though late na or ayun na, busy din kayo sa sarili niyo pong schedules, nag-make pa rin kayo ng time para makapag-practice kami and to make sure na sobrang perfect po ng celebration ko. Sobrang thankful